Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I'm still out here at my nephew's and we've been having a lot of family time, and I have been enjoying his garden, and I have a bucket garden going here as well, and I just wanted to give you an update on my garden. You don't have to have a lot of space to garden. You can really garden anywhere and enjoy it, and my garden's movable, so when I move again, it'll go with me. So I'm going to turn you around and give you a little walk through and show you how well that bucket garden with the trellis over top, it's beautiful and it's doing so well. Let's go take a walk in the garden. So, back here in the bucket garden, and I absolutely love this. I am getting another one made for myself because I love my nephew's bucket garden. Look at these. We'll put some basil in here to help with the peppers and tomatoes. Look at that. Look at those. Oh my goodness. And I just want to show you, they are the size of my hand. They're huge. Doing so well. Cucumbers back here. Look at all the little cucumbers. Little, they're big. Look at this. This one is like, ready. Look at, again, definitely doing really well. All of these, all of them. It's way up over my head now. Look at all the blossoms on here. It is going to be loaded. All right, those are the blueberry plants. There's the broccoli, potatoes in the buckets. The other half of the trellis, let me walk back here so you can see. The other half of the trellis is finished now, and let's go compare it to the in-ground garden. Look at that. Got some blueberries and now cherries added to that. See what comes up. All right, so there's his pepper plants. Look at these tomatoes. I'm gonna walk down here. Look at these things. They are just enormous. Going to be ready so soon. A few of them have dropped off. We're going to use those for some relish this week. Look at these. I had to install a better trellis because, well, the stick method just wasn't doing it for some of these. Look at those many tomatoes on here. Look at that. All the way down there, it's loaded, just loaded. And now over here we've got the carrots. Oh, there's zucchini going in there. All right, look at that. We've got more zucchini down there. They've got 3 pickings on the green beans. These 2 rows are not ready. These 3 rows are now producing green beans. Look at, they picked yesterday and they still have beans ready to pick today. The onions haven't done much. We got more squash here going up this trellis now. And then the potatoes are starting to die back, but they're not quite ready yet. Not quite ready. And we did put some wood ash between the rows. All right. Oh, and the apple tree. It's still loaded. Look at that. That one. And let me walk over here. Show you this tree up here. There you go. Look at that. And then come over here to my little bucket garden. All right, so this is some more lemon balm I was given. It's starting to come back. I got one mint plant here. It'll come back. This is a chestnut. Chestnut tree number 5. This is the Imperial pink currant I just got, and it was bare root. I bought it a week ago from Berlin Seeds. I've got it planted and it is doing awesome. And those are the green tomatoes I'm going to make stuff from. And over here I've got the currant from a couple years ago that was bare root like that one. That's the pink champagne, and I've got some potato onions planted in there with it. This is my blackberry that I got from Roberta. It's doing great. More lemon balm. Those are my potato onions. This is a red bud tree that I got from Berlin Seeds. There's my other 2 of my other chestnut trees. I got some hostas and my elderberry here. And that's what I have going on right now in my bucket garden. But just thought you'd like an update on the big garden. And I really love the bucket garden with trellis idea. It really has worked out, although you do have to keep it watered. It is doing much better even than the in-ground garden that was planted at the same time. They're starting to even out, but you can see that one was a little bit ahead. Just a little. So there you have it. Update number 2 on the garden. As always, can all you can. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.